Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach a problem on windowing method. The question is design a high pass filter that is HPF using Hamming window with cutoff frequency 1.2 radians per sample and M is equal to 9, that is length of the filter is equal to 9. For this type of question, first we have to write the given data. The given data is cutoff frequency. So cutoff frequency is represented by omega c. So omega c is equal to 1.2 radians per sample. Previously we have studied the desired frequency response for each filters. So the desired frequency response for high pass filter is hd of e power j power omega is equal to e power minus j omega tau. The limit is from omega c to pi, and again e power minus j omega tau, the limit is from minus pi to minus omega c. This equation you have to memorize. So we have to memorize for all the filters like this way, so that only you can do the problem. Okay, if in the question if they given like this means you have to write, we have to only write this equation. Okay, from this equation only you can find hd of n, that is h of n. That is, to find hd of n we have to know this equation, that is limit range for each filters we have to know. Desired frequency response for each filters we have to know. Okay, next from this itself we can understand tau is equal to, the formula for tau is equal to m minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, m value is 9. So 9 minus 1 divided by 2 is 4. That is 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. In some book this tau value can be represented also by alpha. They can also represent this tau by alpha. They have different notation. We here represented the tau, this value is tau. Okay, otherwise we will represent it as alpha. Okay, since tau value is not equal to 0, we can come to a conclusion that it is a causal filter. If tau value is equal to 0, it is a non-causal filter. Here tau value is not equal to 0, so it is a causal filter. Okay, next step, that is first step is to find hd of n. Okay, first step is to find hd of n. To find hd of n, we know the formula that hd of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi hd of e power j omega into e power j omega n into d omega. Here we have two limits, so we have to write for two limits, since it is a high pass filter. So that is equal to 1 by 2 pi into integral, first limit is minus omega c to pi. So omega c to pi into e power minus j omega tau into e power j omega n into d omega. Second limit is minus pi to minus omega c. So you can write it as minus pi to minus omega c into integral minus pi to omega c. The function is e power minus j omega tau into e power j omega n into d omega. Now you can substitute the value of omega c, that is 1.2, and you can take this e power minus j omega outside. So you will get e power j omega outside. In these two terms you can take outside. So you will get already 1 by 2 pi outside. Again integral 1.2 to pi. If you take e power j omega outside, you will get n minus tau into d omega plus integral minus pi to minus 1.2 into e power, here also you take e power j omega outside, so you will get e power j omega into n minus tau into d omega. Now you can integrate with respect to omega. So you will get e power j omega into n minus tau divided by j into n minus tau. Limit is from 1.2 to pi. Here also e power j omega into n minus tau divided by j into n minus tau. Limit is from minus pi to minus 1.2. Next you can substitute the limit. You can substitute the limit in the next step. Substituting the limit values, we get ht of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi j into n minus tau into e power j pi into n minus tau minus e power j into 1.2 into n minus tau plus e power minus j into 1.2 into n minus tau minus e power minus j pi into n minus tau. Now we can convert this into some form because we have a power j theta plus a power e power minus j theta form, so that we can convert to that function. Okay, we can convert to that function. We will get that function. Okay, see, when e power j pi n minus tau, here also we are getting e minus e power minus j pi n minus tau. So these two terms are there. So outside we have 1 by 2j, so we can write it as sin pi into n minus tau. Similarly here also we have minus e power j into 1.2 n minus tau, here e power plus e power minus j into 1.2 into n minus tau. Here we can take one minus outside, so you will get e power j into 1.2 into n minus tau minus e power j minus j into 1.2 into n minus tau. So you will get minus sin 1.2 into n minus tau. Now our desired frequency response is 1 by pi into n minus tau into sin pi into n minus tau minus sin 1.2 into n minus tau. Second step is we have to find the window function. That is to find window function. Okay, second step is to find window function. Here the given window function is, in the question they have given Hamming window. Okay, the Hamming window, here our filter is Cauchy filter since tau is not equal to 0. So for Cauchy filter we have the equation for Hamming window is W of n is equal to 0.54 minus 0.46 into cos 2 pi n divided by m minus 1. The limit is 0 to m minus 1. Okay, that is, we can substitute the value of m, that is m is equal to 9. 9 minus 1 is 8, and here also you substitute 8. Okay, so you will get the function as 0.54 minus 0.46 into cos 2 pi n divided by 8. Now we have to substitute the values for n from 0 to 8. In this place we have to substitute from 0 to 8. So you will get w of 0, w of 1, w of 2 up to w of 8 we have to find out. Okay, in this function you have to find the values from for n is equal to 0 to 8. That is the window function. Then for HDN also we have to find the values from 0 to 8. Here for HDN, when you substitute 4, you will get this form in indeterminate form. This equation will become indeterminate form when you substitute 4. So for only the value of n is equal to 4, you use L'Hospital rule. That is, you differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. Okay, that is hd of 4 is equal to limit n tends to 0 1 by pi into cos pi of you first differentiate the denominator, so you will get 1 by pi with respect to n. Okay, so you will get 1 by pi into, now you differentiate the numerator, you will get cos pi into n minus 4 with respect to n, so you will get here pi minus here also cos 1.2 into n minus 4 into 1.2. Okay, now you substitute the value of n is equal to 4, so you will get cos 0 is 1, here also cos 0 is 1, so you will get 1 minus 1.2 divided by pi, that is equal to 0.618. Okay, so hd of 4 is equal to 0.618. Next hd of 0 is equal to, you have to substitute in this equation 0. Okay, when you are substituting 0, 1 by pi into 0 minus 4, that is In this equation substitute 0. Okay, 1 by pi into 0 minus 4 is minus 4 pi into sine minus 4 pi minus sine 1 into minus 1.2 pi. The value is 0.079. Similarly, you substitute for hd of 1 also. That is, substitute n is equal to 1 in this equation. In hd of n equation, you will get 0.047. These values can be directly put in the calculator by putting the calculator in the radian mode. You can directly type the value sine 3 pi, sine minus sine 1.2 pi. You will get directly the answer. Okay. Similarly, hd of 2 also you will get minus 0.108. Like this way, you have to find the values for up to 8. hd of 0 to hd of 8. Here also you have to find the values up to 8. That is, in window function also you have to find up to 8. That is w of 0 to w of 8. So the remaining part we can see in the next class. That's all. Thank you.